Hi, I'm Dave Shanabarger, HVAC Industry Specialist for Browning Belt Drives. As you know, day-to-day belt drive operation causes component wear. It's common practice to replace worn V-belts, but sheaves, sometimes referred to as pulleys, often get overlooked. Worn sheaves can decrease belt life and negatively affect overall drive efficiency. The average lifespan of a set of sheaves running in normal operation is about 5 to 7 years. And sheaves showing a 32nd of an inch of wear or more on the sidewall should be replaced. The typical replacement procedure is to replace worn parts with identical new parts. However, with the advent of high-performance belt technology, Browning innovative sheave designs, and our Edge selection software, Browning can help provide a solution that may require fewer belts, smaller sheaves, and improved drive efficiency. Guess what that means? Lower cost solutions and reduced maintenance spend. Today we're going to show you our process for retrofitting multiple belt systems, like this outdated 4-groove C-belt drive. Let's talk about Browning's 3 simple steps for drive retrofitting. These steps include collecting data from the existing belt drive, selecting a new belt drive, and installing the new component. To begin, simply enter the required belt drive parameters into the Edge interface. Any special considerations can be noted in the Drive Options area. After you've entered the required parameters, click Solve, and Edge will provide up to 10 solutions ranked by relative cost. Click the highlighted drive number to select your desired option. This will allow you to view a bill of materials as well as technical specifications on your selection. In addition, Edge provides drawings and notes on recommended installation procedures. Here is the newly installed drive we selected using the drive retrofit process. As you can see, we were able to replace the worn 4-groove C-belt drive with the new 2-groove 5VX belt drive. Additionally, we were able to replace the multiple variable pitch motor sheave with a standard fixed pitch sheave, reducing the cost of components and eliminating any inherent misalignment. By retrofitting this system, rather than simply replacing with identical parts, Browning was able to help save this customer $3,647.98 in replacement cost. Using the Browning Energy Efficiency Calculator, and as a direct result of this retrofit, we've estimated a $593 savings in this drive. Additional savings may be seen from retrofitting the worn sheaves to new sheaves and properly tensioning the drive. In 3 simple steps, we can help you do the same. Simply collect the data from the existing drive, select the new components, and install the new system. It's as easy as that. Collect, select, and install.